As a seasoned master technician, Dan Ryan and his wife decided to break out on their own and open Team Ryan Automotive. Honest, quality car and truck repair work, the way it ought to be done. Every time, for every customer.
I've been doing this for 20 years, and over the years I've seen more and more where both customers and technicians could be treated better. Where I was at, I wasn't in a position to change that or do anything about that. With what we're doing here with Team Ryan Automotive, we're changing that every day we come into work.
Before I met Dan, I was not happy with how I was treated from an auto repair shop, and multiple times from multiple shops. And it was because they spoke down to me or tried to speak over me and sell me things that I didn't need or didn't understand that I needed.
At Team Ryan, a positive experience with auto repairs begins with positive employees.
We want to create a positive environment for all of our employees. We want this to be a happy place to work. I want people to look forward to coming to work every day because they know that they're making a difference. And when you have happy technicians, when you have happy employees and they want to come into work, you can't help but offer good service. You can't help but fix the vehicle right the first time.
Team Ryan Automotive, your local experts in quality.